Unrealistic parental expectations could be stressful to a child with toddler parenting. If you, as a parent, feel that your child has any limitations that prevent him or her from fulfilling certain expectations, basic parenting law would tell us not to go. You can do it. Your kid is headed towards, with some certainty, a whole world of disappointment. It is just like saying you won't feel any pain when an injection really hurts. You lose credibility with your child if you treat them as fools. Other discouraging family practices you learned at parenting workshops are permissiveness, which makes a child selfish and disregards others' rights. Inconsistent discipline results in feeling that life is unfair, and denial of feelings. A person who is not in touch with his or her own feelings can never understand how others feel. This is in grave violation of parenting laws. Sometimes, when it comes to parenting young children, parents have a duty to help your children set realistic goals. Use the proper parenting skills needed. When one of the kids wants to enter a contest, you are all out rooting for him or her. Some kids suffer from overconfidence and start counting their chickens before they hatch. In those cases, you explain the odds and make the project so much fun that it is the effort that counts. Poor thing, mothers often say to a child after a slight fall. Sometimes, parents even go to such lengths as pretending to beat the object that caused pain to appease the crying child. Here is a parent advice: don't do this. It is stupid. Unnecessary pity breeds a discouraging family atmosphere. It does not help build confidence despite what a lot of parents think so. Most of these remain in your head, drilled down to you by your parents. It is about time you got out of that mentality and change yourself with the knowledge available at parenting websites out there and by consciously creating an encouraging environment at home. Don't expect to change your teenager. The beginning of change is to accept honest mistakes. Saying sorry to your children can do wonders in closing the generation gap. It is only human to let the children know, hey, kids, parents are people and need some encouragement to exclamation point. ParentingAsigned.com is an all-in-one parenting site featuring parenting guides, parenting solutions and parenting discipline tips from childcare experts. We aim to deliver top-ranking parenting-related information from parenting websites in one compact, easy-to-read and follow monthly newsletter. Find out how you can get your completely free access to the Internet's leading magazine for parenting info and claim your free copy of the 75 Toughest Parenting Questions Revealed and Answered ebook.